Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, and again next. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Confirm and also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 39 and a low of 25.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.